Speak less than necessary. Hold your peace where silence is the only truth, and find your voice only when to remain silent would be a betrayal. In a world where everyone is clamoring to be heard, true power chooses silence, for he who commands the storm has no need to outshout its roar.
Words are more than just sounds. They are sparks that can start a fire.
Not every idea in your head is worthy of being put into words. Keep your goals in silence until they gain the strength to become reality. Not every idea. They are instruments of influence that can build empires or destroy them with a single whisper. Words aren't just sounds, they're instruments of influence. And in the hands of someone inexperienced and unskilled at containing their ardor, they become a weapon against them.
To understand this law, we must look into the past, to a king who mastered silence.
Louis XIV, the Sun King of France, understood something most never do. Power does not speak much. When his ministers spoke, they spoke too much, trying to prove their value. And when the minister finished, the king answered with only 2 words: "I will think." No promise, no rejection, no explanation. And in that uncertainty, the minister became more loyal, because people fear what they cannot understand. And in that moment, no one knew what the king truly thought. And that uncertainty changed everything. And in that moment, he didn't answer right away. He thought before making a decision, because the right decision takes time. And now there will be an example from our time. How many times have you said more than necessary? In meetings, in arguments, in moments of emotion? The more you speak, the less control you have. When you speak too much, you lose control of what you reveal. You expose your contradictions. You show your doubts.
And you give others everything they need to use against you.
Silence does not mean weakness. It means control. And the one who speaks with precision is the one people respect and quietly fear.
Speak with purpose, not impulse. Let others fill the silence. The more they speak, the more they reveal. And in that moment, you stay in control.
The 4th law does not tell you to stay silent. It teaches you to speak with intention. In negotiation, let the other side fill the silence. The one who speaks more reveals more. Silence creates pressure, and pressure makes people reveal themselves. Too many words are a sign of weakness. You don't need to explain everything. Sometimes a smile is enough, because uncertainty is armor.
True strength doesn't shout. It doesn't announce. It doesn't explain. It doesn't defend itself. It simply acts and remains silent and waits, because he who possesses much doesn't need words. Law 4. Speak less than necessary, and because silence is sometimes more eloquent than any words. True strength